How to fix Outlook not loading on Chrome. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix Outlook not loading on your Chrome. So let's get started. First, as you have to check your internet connection, make sure your Wi-Fi and data is stable. After that, simply close and reopen app. After that, your problem should be gone. If it is still up here, simply clear cache and cookies. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on general. Now from here, tap on iPhone storage. From here, find out the application Chrome and tap on that. From here, tap on upload. Simply tap on upload app. After you uploaded the Chrome, tap on reinstall app again. After you reinstall and clear the cache of Chrome, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you need to update the Chrome application. For that, open up App Store or Play Store. Now from here, in the source field, search for Chrome. After you search for that and if you find any update, simply tap on update. After you update latest version of Chrome, you'll have to also check for any VPN or proxy you have not activated on your device. Simply you'll have to turn off that. After that, your problem should be fixed. If that problem is still happening, delete and reinstall the app from the App Store. After that, your problem should be fixed. At last, you can simply try to use another browser like Safari or Edge as your temporary workaround. And that's it. These are the ways to fix Outlook not loading on your Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.